200 years ago, there was no such thing as police officers. They didn't exist. If you go back like 50 years ago, the number of police officers that existed and were patrolling the street was like probably 1/10 of what we have now. If you go back to say 2004, the expectation in 2004 that the police would be at your house in 3 minutes if you needed them, that didn't exist. That changed within my lifetime. Back in 2004, not everybody had a cell phone, and you'd have to find somebody with a landline. People used to yell out, "Call 911." That was a common thing people did in my lifetime before cell phones became a thing. And the idea that the police would just be there to save you in 3 minutes. No, like when 2004, you got about 10 to 15 minutes at the time that you called them. So if it takes you 15 minutes to get on the phone to call them, you might not see the cops for about 30 minutes. That's how things were, especially in like rural areas back in my lifetime. The expectation that the police are literally like a babysitting service, there to keep you safe. If anything goes wrong, they'll be there immediately. That is a very modern concept that has changed within my lifetime. And I don't think that that's a positive thing. It's not that I'm against the profession. It's just, I don't think society should be set up to where there's literally a babysitting service. Whenever adults have disagreements, the babysitter shows up. I don't think that that's good. I don't think that that's a desirable thing. And I think people need to learn how to solve problems. You know, people need to learn how to solve their own problems without having the government, without having the state involved in their life. You don't need the government involved in your life. When has the government being involved in your life made your life better? I want to ask anybody that's ever dealt with the court system, ever dealt with like anything like that, did it make your life better? You know, oh gee, here's an idea. Let me get the court system involved in my life. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna knock on the fucking front door of the court's house and say, you know, gee Willie, you know what I want in my life? I want more of the court system involved. I miss you guys. Why isn't the court system involved in my life anymore? I miss them so much. Nobody's ever said that. Nobody. That's just the truth. Nobody wants the court system involved in their life. Nobody wants like people telling them what to do and stuff. And I understand there's a necessary evil of you have to somehow deal with criminals, but 200 years ago, it wasn't police. It was people took the law into their own hands, or you had rangers and you had marshals and you had stuff like that. But the idea that you're just going to have some babysitter that's going to be there every time something goes wrong, you're going to have a babysitting service show up to, oh, I'm sorry, you want to give you a bottle? I mean, come on, this is not, grown men do not need government babysitters. They don't need it, right? People have disagreements, they can figure them out without having a babysitting service that shows up every 3 minutes. You know, people say, what do you do about criminals? Arm yourself, carry a gun. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, support the merchandise. I sell athletic, stretchy, camouflage shirts and stuff like that. I got a little something for everybody in the store. I sell really cool stuff, guys. Check it out. You at least want to check it out. See you guys in the next one. Jordan Jared signing off.